I'm going to talk about upcoming patterns. So there's some weather warning. Just refresh this page. So for Scott, like if you see like orange weather warnings, it's going to be warning about like 20 to 30 centimeters of snowfall, depending on the weather. So there's going to be like local blowing snow and at times at heavy snow and reduced visibility. So it's going to continue this morning and going to go away late this afternoon. So don't need to explain like additional information because of weather models. So let's talk about the upcoming pattern. Oh, we didn't talk about the yellow warnings. So yellow warnings is going to be 15 to 25 centimeters of snowfall. Let's actually do it again. So 15, but yellow warnings could be 5 to 10 centimeters of snowfall with which is reduced visibility at times with heavy snow and local blowing snow. It's going to continue this morning through this afternoon, and it's going to go away by today evening actually. So, but yellow warning also has like 5 to 10 actually some days 15 to 20. So it's gonna So this yellow warnings also has like 15 to 25 centimeters snowfall. We do same thing, but it's continued this morning through this afternoon, and it's going to go away by today evening. So that's for orange wall. So we're not doing like Palmerston because that doesn't exist in like in the videos. So let's talk about our coming pattern. Let's double check actually market. No need changes. So let's look at the upcoming pressure patterns. So 1008, 1004 millibars of pressure. Suma to Southern Ontario, and there's some 1000 millibars of pressure in 1012. So let's go to next hour, 1000 and something. 1004, 1008, 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 24 hours after that. 1016, 1008, 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 24 hours after that. There's 1012 and 1016, but there's 1014 in Toronto. So let's go to 24 hours after that. 1016, 1012, 1008, 1004 millibars of pressure. Let's go to precipitation patterns. So let's go to 1 p.m. Currently, it's like heavy snow. Not gonna talk about now. So Scarborough, downtown Toronto, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Richmond Hills, not doing snowfall. So Oshawa, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, and parts of Niagara on the Lake, Oakville. Those cities are gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. It's gonna take a mile. So Newmarket, Orangeville, Orangeville's wrong place. Sorry, actually right place. Newmarket, Orangeville. Actually, Newmarket's 2.5, 6.25 millimeters in whole. Fossil Stowful, Newmarket, Orangeville is gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to actually Newmarket, Orangeville, Stowful is different. So Newmarket, Orangeville is going to be 2.5 millimeters of snowfall, and Stowful is gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. That's the actual one. So Uxbridge is gonna get some 0.2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's do Niagara Falls City is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Olala, Collingwood, Port Elgin, Hanover. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including London. So let's go to next tower. Now doing Palm Beach because it's passing through my pass through my skill. Like say one. So Palm Beach could get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m. actually. So London, Newmarket, Orange Coastal full, Beverly Hills, Georgia. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 Port Erie, Portsmouth capacity. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Mississauga, Brampton, down Toronto, Richmond Hills, Scarborough, not doing snowfall. Actually snowfall. It's going to get no stop with those accounts. Belleville, Oshawa, Uxbridge. Those is gonna get some Niagara on the lake parts of Niagara Falls City. Those is equal. Hamilton, those is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Coburg, Peterborough, those cities are gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. Actually, let's go to next tower because Coburg. Actually, Coburg for now is 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. That's the actual one. So let's go to next towers. So let's do 7 p.m. Scarborough, Stouffville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Oakville, Hamilton, Niagara, Niagara Falls City, Oshawa, Uxbridge. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Orangeville is nothing. So this was actually counts 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, those cities are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. Nothing 10 p.m. actually. So Collingwood is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. It is 10 a.m. So Lion's Head is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower, which is 1 p.m. So Lion's Head, Obey, Watertown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, London, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m. actually. So instead, Obi, Waterton, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Ulula, Berry, Virginia, Beverly Hills, London, Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Niagara, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to 7 p.m. actually. So Lionshead, Bay, Watertown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sun Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Orla, Berry, Georginia, Beverly Hills. So parts of Niagara on Lake Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Stouffville, London, those cities are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. It's going to take a minute actually. So this is actual. So let's go to actually 7 a.m. So Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Bobby, Study Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Orla, Berry, Waterton, Port Elgin, Northern Hanover. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. It's gonna take a minute. It's going to actually take a minute. So it is 10 a.m. actually. So London, down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Coburg. We're not doing Peterborough. It's a Belleville. Those cities are gonna get Barrie. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Wagon. Actually, Wagon also 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to the next tower. 1 p.m. actually. So Watertown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Orla, Berry, Georginia, Beverly Hills, London, Hamilton, downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to Brampton, Orangeville. This time it's Orangeville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Parts of Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next topic. It is 4 p.m. actually. So line said, Obey, Wartime, Owen Sound, Kapor, Elsing, Conover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Olala, Berry, Georgia, Babley Isles, London, Scarborough, Stouffville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next. Brampton, Orange was one place. So Newmarket is also one place. So Orangeville, Newmarket is gonna get some. Stouffville is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So line said, Bay, Waterton, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Norlella, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Hills, so London, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Brampton, Orangeville, Stouffville could be wrong, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. actually. So line said, line said, Whiteham, Bombay, Study Beach, Saturday, Midland, Olala, Berry, parts of Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall during Port Elgin. So Hanover is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. It is 10 a.m. So line said, Bay, Waterton, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Olala. For Elgin, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Hanover is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Richmond Hill is gonna get some 0. No, that's Richmond Hill. Newmarket is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. London, Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next tower. It is 1 p.m. actually. So Whiteton, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Scarborough, Stouffville, Newmarket, Borderline, Richmond Hill, Newmarket actually. So Niagara on the Lake, Ports of Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, London, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. So no, not in Uxbridge. So let's go to next tower. So 4 p.m. actually. So London, Niagara Falls City, parts of Niagara on the Lake, Wyatton, Line said, Bay, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Beverly Hills, Georgia. Those cities are gonna get some Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So including Coburg actually. So Port Elgin onwards gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Okay, let's go to next tower. Let's make the good line wire tons. So let's go to next tower actually. So which is 98 hours. So Hope's Bay line said wire ton. Port Elgin. Those cities are going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Hanover, Thunder Beach, those cities, Coburg, Belleville, Niagara Falls City, those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower, which is not in 10 a.m., 10 p.m. actually. So, line said, Bay, Watertown, Port Elgin, Hanover, London, Hamilton, Scarborough, Stouffville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Niagara on the Lake parts of Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Bombay, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland, Olala, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Hills. Those cities also gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Let's go to next hour. Going to take a while. Going to take a while actually. So let's go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. So line said, obey wire time boy Elgin Hanover. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Salabay, Midland, Odella, Very, Virginia, Beverly Hills, London, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, not Brampton, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Scarborough, Stouffville, Newmarket, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, parts of Niagara Falls City, parts of Niagara on the Lake. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next hour actually. So parts of Niagara Falls City, parts of Niagara on the Lake is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. That's actually correct. So let's go to 1 p.m. actually. So London, Wyerton, Hobes Bay, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Sada Bay, Midland, Olilla, Niagara, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. So those cities are gonna get some, including Hanover. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Boy else is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall, including line side. So let's go to next hour actually. So okay, let's go to next hour. 4 p.m. So Lionshead, Port Elgin, Coburg, nothing we could go Coburg. Those cities are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall, snowfall. So Hanway, Whiteton, Palm Beach, Tanny Beach, Salome, Midland, Olala, Georgia, Hanover, London, Hamilton, Niagara, Lake, parts of Niagara Falls City, Niagara Falls City Holding. So Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Okay, let's go to actually next hours. So yeah, 114. So Wyerton line said Obey Port Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Tanny Beach, Sada Bay, Midland, Orla, Georgia, London, Niagara Falls City, parts of Niagara on the Lake, Scarborough, Downtown Toronto, Mississauga, Oakville, Hamilton, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. There is no next hour actually, so let's go to next hour. So let's look at total winter. No, total precipitation actually is gonna take a while. Okay, let's do it now. So it's easier. So 7 p.m. So 2 millimeters in Uxbridge, Oshawa, Peterborough, Cobourg, 1 millimeters in Belleville, 3 millimeters in Stouffville, Scarborough, down Toronto, 2 millimeters in Brampton, Mississauga, 2 millimeters in Hamilton, Niagara, like 3 millimeters, 2 millimeters Niagara Falls City, 3 millimeters in London, Whiteton, 2 millimeters, Collingwood, 3 millimeters, Port in Hanover, it's gonna be 2 millimeters. So let's do like think Newmarket, Orange was 3 millimeters. So Georgia Babli ISOs is gonna be 2 millimeters, Barry's 3 millimeters, Odella is gonna be 2 millimeters, 1 millimeter. Actually it's gonna be 2 millimeters, Midland, Salabia is 2 millimeters, including Thunder Beach. Palm Beach is gonna be 3 millimeters. Line said Bay is gonna be 3 millimeters. So let's go to next hour. It's going to take a minute. So 2 and 3 millimeters doesn't make any difference. So it's gonna go continue by the Ukul's gonna get some 3 millimeters. That's the heaviest, lightest 2 millimeters. So it won't make a difference. So let's go to next 24 hours. So 4 millimeters in London, 4 millimeters of rainfall is in Port Elgin. Collingwood 2 millimeters, Whitehorn 3 millimeters, Stowfall 2 millimeters, 1.5 millimeters in Scarborough. So down to Toronto is 1 millimeters, 1 millimeters in Brampton. Mississauga is going to be so Hamilton is 1 millimeters, Niagara on Lake 4 millimeters, Newmarket Orangeville is 2 millimeters, Uxbridge 2 millimeters, Oshawa is 2 millimeters, Uxbridge 3 millimeters, 3 millimeters in Peterborough, Cobourg 6 millimeters, 4 millimeters Belleville. So let's do Niagara Falls City later. So Palm Beach, it's gonna be 3 millimeters, Thunder Beach 4 millimeters, Solid Bay is 5 millimeters, Midland is gonna be 5 millimeters, Orlilla is going to be 7 millimeters. Georgina is going to be 3 millimeters. Beverly Hills is 2 millimeters. Barrie is going to be 3 millimeters. So now we can do Oakville. Oakville is going to be 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So that's but it's not going to be. It's going to be 0.9, 0.8. It's going to be 0.8 millimeters. That's the lightest. Heaviest going to be 1 millimeters. Look. So Niagara Falls City is going to get some 0.8 millimeters of rainfall, parts of it. So Lions Hope's way is gonna be 3 millimeters. Lions head is gonna be 2 millimeters. So Harnum is gonna be 3 millimeters. So now there's no other cities missing. So let's go to next hour. I'm not doing 40/80. So let's go to 98 hours. So White has 8 millimeters. Hope's way is going to be 7 millimeters. Actually, that's 8 millimeters is in Hope's Bay line size is also 8 millimeters. So Port Elgin is going to be 8 millimeters of rainfall. Hanama is going to be 8. No, it's going to be around 10 millimeters of rainfall. So Collingwood is going to get some 0.6 millimeters. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 2 millimeters. Palm Beach is actually 1 millimeters of rainfall. Solid Bay is going to be 2 millimeters. Midland is going to be 1 millimeters. Uxbridge, Peterborough is 1 millimeters. Cobourg 2 millimeters. Belleville 2 millimeters. Oshawa is going to be 0.7 millimeters. Scarborough, Stowfall is going to be like 0.7 millimeters. Newmarket is also 0.7 millimeters in Richmond Hill. Downtown Toronto is going to be 0.5 millimeters. So that's actually zero point 0.4. So Hamilton is going to be 0.3. Niagara on the Lake is going to be 0.7. That's heaviest. Lightest could be 0.2. Not 0.2, 0.6. So Niagara Falls is 2 millimeters. 1 millimeters in London. Barrie is gonna be 1 millimeters. Georgina is gonna be 1 millimeters. Beverly Hills is gonna be 1 millimeters. Orlilla is going to be 1 millimeters. So everywhere like single space, it's like 1 millimeters. So let's go to next tower. Actually 1.2 millimeters in Beverly Hills is Georgina. So let's go to next towers. So actually 1 millimeters in Lake Cinco everywhere. The orange will is going to get some doesn't count. So let's quickly. So let's go to next tower. It's going to take. So let's go to next tower, which is 114 hours. So 3 millimeters in London, Whitehorn 6 millimeters. Collingwood is going to get some 1 millimeters because it's closest. So Uxbridge 1 millimeters, Oshawa 2 millimeters, downtown 2 millimeters. Scarborough is going to be 2 millimeters. The heavier says light. This could be 0. No, it's going to be 1 millimeter. Stowfall is going to be could be like close to 1 millimeters. Actually, it could be 1 millimeters also. So 2 millimeters in Peterborough, Cobourg for 8 millimeters, Velva 8 millimeters, Niagara and like 8 millimeters, Niagara Falls City is going to be 6 millimeters. Hamilton 2 millimeters, Oakville is going to be 2 millimeters. So Mississauga 2 millimeters, Brampton is going to be 0.7. No, it's going to be could be 1 millimeter. No, it's too high. This is 0.8 is Stoffel, 0.7 is Brampton, including Orangeville, Newmarket. Richmond Hill is going to be 1 millimeters, but it's not going to be 1 millimeter. Actually, it could be 1 millimeters in Newmarket, no, Richmond Hill. So Hope's Bay is going to be 6 millimeters of rainfall. Line said it's going to be 7 millimeters. Starlight Bay, Thunder Bay is going to be 3 millimeters. Bombay is going to be 3 millimeters. Midland is going to be 2 millimeters of rainfall. So Olilla, Berry, Georgia is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. So that's Olilla. So Beverly Hills is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. So Port Elgin is going to be 6 millimeters. Hanover is going to be 5 millimeters of rainfall. So that's Hanover. So nothing 4 or 3. So let's go to next tower. There is snow next. So let's look at total snowfall. Going to click depends. So 3.3 centimeters in London. Whitehorn is 2.3 centimeters. Collingwood is 2.5 centimeters. Brampton is 2.2. Sissaga is going to be 2.3. Downtown Toronto is 2.5. Scarborough is going to be 2.65. 2.9 Stouffville. 2.5 is Orangewood, Newmarket. Uxbridge 2.5. Oshawa is 1.9. Coburg 1.5. Peterborough 1.5. Belleville 1.2. Niagara Falls City is 3.0. 2.0. Niagara Falls City is 2.0. Niagara-on-the-Lake is 2.0. 2.0 Hamilton. Oakville is going to be 2.9 centimeters, but it actually isn't. It's going to be 2.9 centimeters in Oakville. So let's do Boylston. Boylston is going to be 2.3. Hanover is going to be 2.4. Palm Beach, it's going to be 2.6. Thunder Beach, 2.5, 2.6, 2.4. Solid Bay, 2.3. Midland's going to be 2.3. Orla is going to be 2.3. So Georgia is going to be 2.2. Beverly Hills is going to be 2.2. So Barrie is going to be 2.5 centimeters. 2.6. So it's going to be 2.6 centimeters in Barrie. So Hobbs Bay is going to be 2.5 centimeters. No, it's going to be 2.4. So Lion's Head could be, it's not gonna be, it's going to be 2.9 centimeters in snowfall. So it's point is 0.1 is okay. Its difference is okay. So let's do Oco. Oh, we did Orange was already done. So let's go to next tower. Even though this one's 0.1 centimeters off. So let's go to 7 p.m. January 17th. So 4.4 is in London. Warrington is 3.3 centimeters. Collingwood is 2.3 centimeters. Brampton is 1.2. Down Toronto 1.2. Scarborough 1.7 centimeters. Stouffville 2.3. Mississauga nothing. So Hamilton is 1.4. 3.8 is in Niagara on the lake. 0.9 Niagara Falls City. So 1.0 no 1.3 centimeters is in or gold as a yes, lightest could be 1 point something else. So it's going to be 0.7 centimeters somewhere. So not doing Port Aries. So Newmarket is 2.3, Orange was 2.2, Uxbridge 3.3, Oshaw's 3.3, 3.0 is Peterborough, Coburg 5.5, Belleville 4.2. So Port Elgin is going to be 3.7, Hanover is going to be 3.5 centimeters. So Hobbs Bay is going to be The Hope's weighs 2.5 centimeters. So line said is going to be 2.4 centimeters, 2.5, 3 centimeters. So Thunder Beach is going to be 4.4 centimeters. Solid Beach 4.5. Bomb Beach is going to be 3.3 centimeters. Midland is going to be 5 centimeters. Close to it, but it's not going to be actually. So it's actually going to be 4.54 centimeters. Or the is going to be bold lines. So it's going to be 7.5 centimeters of snowfall. Closest. So Jordania is going to be 3.3. No, it's going to be 3.4 centimeters. 3.4 centimeters. Gravity so it's going to be 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters actually. So Barry is going to be different. So it's going to be 3.2 centimeters. Actually 3.1 centimeters in Barry. So let's go to next hours. So going to take a while. So 7 p.m. January 18th. So 1.1 is in London, Whitehorn 8.2, Collingwood with 0.4, Brampton 0.3, Mississauga 0.2, Down Toronto 0.5, Scarborough 0.6, Tofu 0.7, Newmarket Orangeville 0.8, 0.7 is in Orangeville, Uxbridge 1.1, Oshawa 0.6, Cobourg 1.9, Peterborough is 1.2, Balboa 1.5, Hamilton 0.3, Niagara-on-the-Lake 0.4, Niagara Falls is 0.2.0, so not doing Hope's Bay either, so doing solid base. So solid base is going to be 1.6 centimeters. Thunder Beach is going to be 1.6 centimeters. Bomb Beach is going to be 1.3 centimeters. Betty is going to be 1.4, 1.5 centimeters. Georgina is going to be 1.5 centimeters. Beverly Hills is 1.6 centimeters. Actually, it's not going to be like that. So it's going to be 1.3, 1.4 centimeters in Beverly. 1.4 centimeters in, no, 1.5 centimeters in Beverly Isles. So Olala is going to be, so Orilla is going to be like 1 centimeters of snowfall. So Midland's going to be 1.1 centimeters of snowfall. So 1.1. So let's do Hope's Bay. Hope's Bay is going to be 7.4 centimeters of snowfall. 7.5% Lion's Head. So the 7.3 centimeters is in Hope's Bay. Lion's Head is going to be 7.4, but even though still it's 7.5. So Port Elgin's going to be somewhere borderline, so it's going to be 9 centimeters of snowfall, 8 to 9 centimeters in Port Elgin. Hanover is going to be, Hanover is going to be, it's going to take a while actually, so it's, so 10 centimeters of snowfall is in Hanover actually, so I need to clear this. So let's go to 114 hours, January 19th. So London is 2.6, Whiteham 5.8, Collingwood 1.0.7. So let's do another 9 by the way. So Newmarket Orangeville 0.9, Brampton 0.7, Mississauga 1.5, Downtown Toronto 1.6, Scarborough is going to be 1.3, Stouffville 0.8, so 0.7 is in Scarborough actually. No, it's going to be 0.9. Also 2.3, Uxbridge to 1.5, Peterborough 1.8, Cobourg 1.8.2, Balboa 1.7%. 0.1 is Niagara, like Niagara for city 5.6, so 6.4 centimeters is in Hope's Bay. Line said it's going to be 7.4, so it's going to be 7.4, 7.5 centimeters. So Solid Bay is going to be 2.7 centimeters. Bomb Beach is going to be 2.7. No, it's going to be 2.7 is in Bomb Beach. 2.7 is in Thunder Beach. So that's a Thunder Beach and Solid Bay is 2.7. So Bomb Beach has to be different. It's going to be 2.5 centimeters. No, it's going to be 2.7 centimeters of snowfall. That's Palm Beach only. So that's 2.7. So Thunder Beach and Busala Base actually is going to be 2.7 centimeters, including the Palm Beach. So Midland is going to be 2.1 centimeters of snowfall. So Olilla is going to be 1.9 centimeters. Betty is going to be 1.2 centimeters. No, that doesn't do anything. So it's actually going to be 1.4 centimeters. Georgina is going to be 1.4. No, it's going to be 1.3. So Beverly Hills is going to be 1 centimeters. So 1.1 centimeters. In Beverly Hills, so 1.2 actually. So Port Elgin is going to be, let's go meter light, darkest blue, light blue actually. So it's going to be 7.5 centimeters. Hano is going to be, let's do Hano again. So Hano is going to be, so Hano is going to be third lightest grays. So it's going to be 2.5 centimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next hour. Control. So let's go to next hour actually. So there is no next hour. So let's go to air temperature patterns. So London's -1 11, Whiteham -10, Collingwood -11, in Brampton -11, Mississauga -11, Toronto -11, Stouffville -13, Scarborough -12, Newmarket -13, Orangeville -12, Uxbridge -13, Oshawa -12, Peterborough -13, Cobourg -11, Balboa -13, Niagara-on-the-Lake -10, Niagara Falls City -11, Hamilton -10, Oakville -10. So The cold warmest in local is gonna be minus 11 actually. So the coldest is actually minus 10. So let's do for Elgin first. For Elgin minus 10. Hanover is going to be minus. Let's do Hanover again. So Hanover is going to be minus 10 degrees. So line set is minus 10. Hope's Bay going to be minus 11. So Thunder Beach is going to be minus 10. Solar Bay is going to be minus 12. Bomb Beach is going to be minus 12. Berry is going to be minus 13. So actually 12.5 minus 12.5 Berry. Georgina is going to be minus 11. Beverly ISO is going to be minus 13.5. Actually 12.5. So Erla is going to be minus 12.5. So let's go to Midland. Midland is going to be minus 12. So let's go to next hour. So let's go to actually next hour. It's going to take a minute, which is 7 a.m. So London is minus 13, minus 9 is in Whiteham, minus 10 is in Collingwood, minus 12 is in Brampton, Stoffel minus 13, Scarborough is going to be minus 1.5, down to Toronto minus 9, Mississauga minus 9. See the temperatures. So minus 9 is also cold. That's the warmest warmest temperature. The coldest temperature in Oakville is going to be because the big city is going to be minus 11 degrees. So Hamilton minus 11, Niagara Lake is minus 10, Niagara Falls City is 11, minus 13 is in Newmarket. Orangeville is going to be minus 12 degrees. Uxbridge minus 15, Oshawa minus 15, Peterborough minus 11, 21, Coburg minus 15, Balboa minus 22. So Hobbs Bay minus 7, Lionshead is going to be minus 7, so actually minus 9. So in those cities. So now let's do Bomb Beach later. So Jordania is going to be minus 11 degrees, same temperature. So as other places. So Beverly ISO is going to be minus 13 degrees. And you're going to get some minus 4. Berry is going to be minus 15 degrees. So Lala is going to be minus 23 degrees. Midland's going to be minus 22 degrees. Minus 20 degrees. 21 degrees. So let's do it on the beach. Okay, let's do that later actually. So Port Elgin is going to be minus 7 degrees. Hanover is going to be passing to minus 9 degrees. So let's do Bomb Beach. So Bomb Beach is going to be minus 13 degrees. So minus 13 degrees, 12 degrees is in Bomb Beach. Thunder Beach is going to be minus 10 degrees. So, no, it's going to be minus 11 degrees. It's in Bomb Beach. Solar Bay is going to be minus 15 degrees. So let's actually go to the next tower because this actually let's go to the next tower actually. So then we can zoom into Palm Beach. So going to take a while. So let's go to 3 p.m. actually. So London minus 5, Wartime, Port Elgin minus 5, Wartime minus 6, Collingwood minus 7, Lionshead, Obey going to be minus 5.5 degrees. So Palm Beach is going to be minus 7 degrees. Thunder Beach, Solar Bay, no, let's do it again. So Thunder Beach is actually minus 6. Solar Bay is going to be minus 7. Barrie is going to be minus 8 degrees. Georgina is going to be minus 6 degrees. Beverly is minus 7. Orlella minus 8 degrees. So Barrie minus 8. So Hamilton minus 3. Everywhere in Niagara Falls minus 4. Brampton is minus 5. Mississauga minus 3. Downtown minus 3. Scarborough minus 4. Stoffel minus 6. Newmar Richmond Hill is going to be minus 5 degrees because it's close to Brampton and Scarborough. So middle of it. So Newmarket Orangeville is going to be minus 7 degrees. Orangeville is actually minus 8. So Uxbridge is minus 7. Oslo minus 5. Peterborough minus 10. Coburg minus 6. Belleville minus 13. So we have finished almost. So minus 6 degrees in Hanover. Now we can do Midland. Midland is going to be minus 6.5 degrees. So minus 7 degrees most of the time. So we could zoom into multiple places. So just finish this. There should be at least no cities missing. So there is no cities. So let's actually go to next tower. 7 a.m. actually. So London -1, Whitehall -2, Collingwood -2, Brampton Stoffel -1, down Toronto -1, Scarborough 0 degrees, Mississauga 0 degrees, Oshawa is one minus. No, it's going to be 1 degrees. Newmarket -2, Newmarket Orange one -1, Peterborough -1, Coburg 1 degrees, Balboa 1 degrees, everywhere in Niagara Falls 1 degrees, Hamilton 1 degrees, Oakville 1 degrees. Port Elgin is going to be -1, Hanover is going to be -2 degrees. So Palm Beach -1, Solid Bay, Thunder Beach -1 degrees, Midland is going to be -2 degrees, Perry -2 degrees, Virginia is going to be -1 degrees, Beverly Hills -2, Olala -1. So like I said, Bay is going to be -1 degrees, X -2 degrees. So let's go to, well, 1 degree doesn't make difference for climate. Let's go to next hour. So the parts in Niagara Falls City could be 0 degrees also. So let's go to the next hour actually. So which is 3 p.m. actually. So London -2, Whitehall -1, 0 degrees Collingwood, Line Said, Obey 0 degrees. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay is gonna be 0 degrees. Midland, Olala 1 degrees. Barrie, Georginia, Beverly Hills is 0 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls, Hamilton, Oakville, down Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Scarborough, Oshawa, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, it's going to be 1 degrees. Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangeville, Peterborough, 0 degrees, -1, Uxbridge. Richmond Hill, all the time is 1 degrees. For same thing as Scarborough, almost all the time. So Port not almost, but Port is 0 degrees. Harlem is going -1. So let's go to with it like single bomb beach, Dunn Beach, Solid Bay, Midland. So let's go to next hour. So which is 7 a.m. So London -9, Wireton is going to power Elgin is going to be -3, Line said Obey is going to be -3, Wireton -4, Hanover is going to be Hanover is going to be -5 degrees. It's going to be 4.5 actually. So Collingwood is going to be -7, Owen Sound, whatever. So ignore Owen Sound. So Palm Beach is going to be -5 degrees. Thunder Beach, Solid Bay is going to be -5 degrees. So Berry -8, 9 degrees. Georginia -8 degrees. Bablia is going to be -9 degrees. Olala is going to be -8 degrees. So Midland's going to be -6 degrees. That's Midlands. So everywhere in Niagara Falls -8. Hamilton -8. Oakville -8. Local warmest temperatures -8 also, -7 actually. So Brampton -10, Mississauga is going to be -8 degrees, could be rounded to 8, but it's -9, down to -8. Which means all the time it's -10, same thing as Scarborough, still for -11. So Newmarket, Orangeville -10, Uxbridge -11, Oshawa -9, Peterborough -11, Cobourg -6, -7 is in Belleville. So at least we need to do 13 cities. So you need to check. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. Let's do Lightside Obey first. Lightside Obey is going to be -4 degrees. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is different. So Palm Beach is going to be -4 degrees, actually -5. So for -4.5 is in Palm Beach. Thunder Beach is going to be -3 degrees. Solid Bay is going to be -4. No, 3.5 degrees. Midland is going to be -5 degrees. Solala is going to be -5 degrees. Georginia -6, Bablia is -7, Barrie is going to be -6 degrees. London -8 degrees. Niagara on the lake is going to be -5 degrees. Niagara Falls City is -6 degrees. Hamilton -6 degrees. Oakville is going to be -6 degrees. Downtown Toronto -6 degrees. Mississauga 6 degrees. -6 degrees. -7 is Brampton. Richmond -7. Scarborough -7. Stouffville -8. Newmarket -8. Orangeville -7. Uxbridge -8, Oshawa -6, Peterborough -7, Cobourg -4, Belleville -5. So Port Elgin is going to be minus 4 degrees. Hanam is going to be minus 4.5 degrees. Actually, minus 5 degrees. Minus 6 in Collingwood. So I miss Collingwood. So let's say any missing cities. There is nothing else. So let's do 7 a.m. actually. So London minus 8, Whitehall minus 11, Collingwood minus 7, So Newmarket, Orangewood minus 12, Stouffville minus 13, Scarborough minus 12, Toronto minus 9, Brampton minus 12, minus 9 is in Mississauga, Hamilton is minus 9, Oakville minus 9, Oshawa is minus 11, Uxbridge minus 13, Peterborough minus 13, Coburg minus 9 Belleville, everywhere Niagara Falls minus 7, so let's do Hope's Bay. Minus 10 is in Hobbs Way. Line said it's going to be minus 10 degrees, 9 degrees. Minus 9 is a line said. Hobbs Way is actually minus 9 also. So Bomb Beach is going to be minus 11 degrees. So Thunder Beach is going to be minus 10 degrees. Solid Bay is going to be minus 10 degrees. Okay, minus 10, that's actually right. So Barrie is going to be minus 13. Georginia minus 11. Beverly Hills is minus 12. Olala is going to be minus 13. Let's do it again. Minus 12 degrees, actually minus 13. It's going to be minus 12.5 is in Olala. So Midland's going to be minus 11 point. No, it's going to be minus 12 degrees is in Olala. Let's do it again. So minus 13. That's minus 13 Olala actually. Midland is going to be minus 13 degrees. So Port Elgin's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be minus 9. Harlem is going to be minus 11 degrees. So this is not the end yet. So let's go to next hour. So the calling was done. So let's do 4 p.m. actually. So London minus 15, Brampton minus 13, Downton minus 11. Mississauga is going to be minus 12 degrees. Stouffville minus 13, minus Scarborough is minus 12. Newmarket minus 13, minus 12, minus 14 is in Orangeville, minus 13 actually. Uxbridge minus 13, Oshawa minus 11. Peterborough minus 11. Coburg minus 9, Belleville minus 8. Hamilton minus 12. Oakville is going to be what I'm gonna use warmest cold. Coldest is minus 12. Warmest is gonna be minus 12 also, minus 7 actually. Everywhere minus 13 in Niagara Falls is minus 13. Everywhere in Niagara Falls City is so everywhere in Niagara Falls is minus 13 degrees. Whitehall minus 10, Collingwood minus 12. Somewhere else is gonna be minus 9 degrees. Hanover is gonna be minus passing through minus 10. So it's going to be minus 11 degrees. So line said Obey is going to be minus 8 degrees. Thunder Beach minus 9, Solid Bay minus 9, Palm Beach is going to be minus something else. So it's going to be minus 10 degrees. That's in Midland and Palm Beach. So we did all the cities. So this is the almost end. So Barrie is going to be minus 12 degrees. Actually minus 11. Virginia minus 11. Beverly Isles is going to be minus 12 degrees, so there's minus 11.5 actually in Beverly Isles. So Olala is going to be minus 10 degrees. So this is the end of the video, the actual end of the video.